In this video, I will show you how to fix Hueneme Negev error in Call of Duty Black Ops 6. The first step is check your internet connection, open your browser, and type speed test, then press enter. Use Google Speed Test or Speed Test by Ookla to check your internet connection. If your speed is slow, your internet might be the issue. Contact your ISP for further assistance. If your internet is fine, try switching to a different connection. If you are using Wi-Fi, switch to Ethernet. If you are using Ethernet, switch to Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot. If it also doesn't help, the next step is to reset your network settings. Search for CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes when prompted. In the command prompt window, type the following commands one by one, pressing Enter after each. Once done, type Exit and press Enter to close the command prompt. Restart your computer, launch the game and check if the error is resolved. If it also doesn't help, the next step is to change your DNS server. Right-click the network icon on your taskbar. Click Open Network and Internet Settings. Select Change Adapter Options. Double-click on your active network connection. Click Properties. Find IPv4. Click Properties again. Select Use the following DNS server addresses and enter. Preferred DNS server 8.8.8.8. Alternative DNS server 8.8.4.4. Click OK, close everything, restart your PC. The next step is for console players. Try switching to a different network. If you are using Ethernet, switch to Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot. If you are using Wi-Fi, switch to Ethernet or another network. Launch the game and check if the issue is resolved. If it works, switch back to your original network from normal gameplay. That's how you fix the Hueneme Negev error in Call of Duty Black Ops 6. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.